Hi दोस्तों, welcome to SSCG Electrical. A new update came from Staff Selection Commission regarding SSCJE Paper 1. SSCJE Paper 1 final key along with the question paper has been uploaded, and those who selected for this exam and those who non-selected for this exam also, they can check their question paper along with the key. See here, that has been uploaded in official website. See here, this is the recent update regarding that. Paper 1, that is for civil, mechanical, electrical engineering, final answer key along with the question paper has been uploaded in the official website. Okay, so that has been uploaded on that is March 8th evening 6 p.m. onwards. That will be available in official website, and up to 28th March it will be available in the official website. So till this time you can check your question paper along with the final answer key. Okay, this analysis will be very useful for further exam. Those who are going to appear for SSCJE 2020 exam, the marks how they have got in SSCJE 2019, it will be useful. Means how many marks they have got and what kind of questions they are answering, what kind of question they are unable to answer. That analysis will be useful for coming exam. Okay, see here. So March 8 update, Junior Engineering Civil, just click on that. After clicking on that link, and you will get the next page in this way, then click on this bottom line. So you have to click on this final answer key J, that is Junior Engineering Exam Paper 1 2019. Click here, just you have to click on this. Then next page will appear like this. Roll number and password will be asked. Okay, you have to enter your roll number as per the admission certificate. You have to enter your roll number. It will be there on your admission certificate, that is in the hall ticket. You can get the roll number and enter the roll number here, and after that enter the password. And most of you might have forgot your password, and you have to enter your date of birth as a password here. Okay, you have to enter the date of birth as the password here. Roll number will be appeared on your admission certificate, that is in all ticket. You can get that. After entering these details, just click on login, then you will get your question paper. After entering it, that is roll number and password, the next page will appear like this, that is question paper and answer key. The page will appear like this. After that, to download your question paper for Junior Engineering Civil, Mechanical, Electrical, just you have to click on this. Here something is not appearing here. Click here button will be there here. Okay, below that click here button will be there. You have to click on that. Okay, you have to click on click here button here. After clicking on click here button, then you will get the question paper in this way. Okay, your roll number will appear, then candidate name will appear, and venue name will be appear, and examination date, examination time, and subject will be appear like this. So total 200 questions will be appear here. Okay, whatever the question that you have answered here, it will appear, and whether it is correct or wrong, it will appear on the right side. Okay, whether you have answered or not, it will appear on right side. Whether it is wrong or correct also, it will appear on right side. After entering roll number and password, you can check your question paper in this way. Okay, just I am showing you. So all the 200 questions will appear here, and whether the answers are correct or wrong, you can check after entering your roll number and password. Okay, so all the 200 questions will be available. Whether you selected or not selected, the analysis of this question paper will be useful for SSCJE 2020 exam. For coming exam, it will be very useful. So it's better to check your question paper along with the final answer key, and what kind of questions they are giving also you can check here. So all the 200 questions will be available. Okay, you can check that all of them will be available here. Okay, so this is regarding a very recent update regarding SSC Junior Engineering. For paper 1, final answer key along with question paper has been uploaded from the official website. You can check it. Okay, this is official website. This is ssc.nic.in. that is the official website. The latest news, you can get the first link. You have to click on the first link. After that, there will be a link for SSC JW paper 1 answer key along with the question paper will be there. You have to click on that, and you have to enter your roll number. That will be there on hall ticket. Okay, roll number you have to enter. Password you might have forgot it. Password is nothing but the date of birth you have to enter as the password. Okay, and the cutoff is due to some of the shifts are very tough. The normalization score became very high. Though they have got a less number of marks, they got more score in normalization. So it will be useful for normalization if the shift is very tough. Okay, So this is regarding a recent update regarding SSC Junior Engineering. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.